guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I just wanted to give you a quick look at these pencils I just got from Castle Arts. I did post over on my community tab about these. I just ordered them. I don't even know, it was 1 day ago or 2 days ago. I really wasn't expecting these to come so fast. I totally wasn't prepared to do a video on these yet. I was actually thinking about, oh, what am I going to color with these when they come? I never got any tracking information or anything, and I just happened to go downstairs to where I get my mail, and I was like, oh, let me see if I got anything today, because I got home from work early today before the mail usually comes, and I was like, oh, I saw the box, and I was like, oh my gosh, could that be the pencils already? And it looks like they shipped from, must have been a warehouse they had in New Jersey. I live in New Jersey, so I think they shipped in 1 day. So my nails are a mess. I was like, oh, whatever, you guys don't care. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing of these, and then maybe within the next few days I'll do like more of an official review on them, and we'll do some coloring with them too, because tomorrow is 4th of July. I have to go to work, and then I have plans for the weekend, so I don't know when. Maybe Monday I'll be able to really get into it, these colors, and check everything out a little bit better. But these are the colors. You know, I'm always most interested in checking out the color names. I saw Rachel Henderson just posted a video. I'll link that. I'll put that in the description box. So I'm so excited, guys. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna put whatever links I have of anyone doing videos on these, so you can check them out and get more perspectives on them. So I've been wanting a full set of muted colors forever. There was that one set we reviewed maybe a year or two ago, the Morandi set from Indira, I think it was, and that wasn't really like totally a Morandi set, which is, Morandi is just basically advanced grays. It's kind of like the opposite of a vivid colors, like a bright colors. These are muted colors. I think they're calling them harmonious colors, because not necessarily everything, probably. Oh, now I'm getting, all right, we'll talk about that in the next video, but I just wanted to show you what the colors look like. So let's just take a quick look at the colors in the trays. Some purples and blues, and then this one seems like a little bit of a greens, sea greens, some purples, pinks. Very excited. I'm very excited about testing these out and sharpening them up and swatching them with you guys. So stay tuned for that. If I get a chance tomorrow after I get out of work, maybe I might do another video, like a more in-depth video with you guys, but this is just kind of I was so excited that they just arrived. I wanted to share them with you. I know a lot of you guys were excited to get a closer look at these. So swatch chart, and a lot of paperwork in here that these always come in, but I'll leave the link to Castle Arts where you can pick these up right now. They're not on Amazon yet, but as soon as they are, I'll share that with you guys as well. So let me know what you guys think. Have you picked this one up yet? Are you thinking about it? I'd love to hear your opinions, and if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see me color with them, leave it down below. So I'll see you guys really soon.